Right, a day out walking. Oh my God, what's this fucking bees? Fuck off. Right, a day out walking in the Pennines, Peak District. So it's a day of walking with the crew. So let's go. Steve, wave. Steve, wave. Okay, go on. Let's do this. Oh, that's so cute. Anyway, you're thinking about 2 hours. I'll be zumped. I'll be zumped. Oh God, we're going all the way up there. God help me. I'm not sure which of the hills we're going, but anyway, good luck to me, mate.